Hello friends, welcome to Free Grammar Lessons. In this video, we will learn how to convert an interrogative sentence to assertive or declarative sentence without changing the meaning of the sentence. We will first understand how to convert an interrogative sentence to assertive with examples. Then we will learn different cases related to the conversion. And at the end, I will give you an exercise for practice. So without a further go, let's get started. Before that, let's quickly revise what we learned in our previous video. We learned a two-step formula to convert an assertive sentence to interrogative sentence. The steps are: step number 1, if the sentence is affirmative or positive, then convert it into negative, and if it is negative, then convert it into positive. And step 2, move the helping verb to the first position in the sentence. Now for converting an interrogative sentence to assertive sentence, we have to reverse the order of the steps. So the steps will be: step number 1, move the helping verb to the second position in the sentence. And step 2 will be, if the sentence is positive or affirmative, then convert it into negative, and if it is negative, then convert it into positive form. Also remember, interrogative sentences will have a question mark at the end of the sentence, and assertive sentence will have a period or full stop. Let me give you an example to understand it. Isn't this the place I loved the most? Here it is an interrogative sentence. Converting it into assertive sentence, we need to follow 2 steps. Step number 1 is to move the helping verb to the second position in the sentence, which is isn't here. So the sentence will be, this isn't the place I love the most. Now applying step 2, as here the sentence is negative, we will convert it into a positive sentence, and the sentence will be, this is the place I love the most. After applying both the steps, we got the answer. Let's look into one more example to make it clear. Is smoking a good habit? After applying step 1, the sentence will be, smoking is a good habit. And after applying step 2, the sentence will be, smoking is not a good habit. Now, you got an idea how to convert an interrogative sentence to assertive sentence with a 2-step formula. Let's look into different cases. Case number 1, sentences where ever is used, it will be converted to never, and where any is used, it will be converted to no. Let me give you an example of it. Can anything outshine the brilliance of the sun? Now, moving the helping verb and changing the word anything to nothing, the sentence will be, nothing can outshine the brilliance of the sun. Let's look into one more example. Will you ever forgive her? Now, moving the helping verb and changing the word ever to never, the sentence will be, you will never forgive her. Now, let's look into case number 2. Sentences where the structure is who plus don't, doesn't, didn't, it gets converted to everybody, everyone, all. Let's look into an example of it. Who doesn't want to be rich? After converting, the sentence will be, everybody wants to be rich. Let's look into case 3. Sentences where the structure is who plus positive sentence. It gets converted to no one or nobody. Let's look into an example of it. Who was playing the match? No one was playing the match. Now, let's look into case 4. Sentences where the structure is y plus verb, it gets converted to it is foolish to plus verb. Let's look into an example of it. Why waste time in useless work? After converting it, the sentence will be, it is foolish to waste the time in useless work. Let's look into one more case. Case number 5. Sentences where the sentences start with what if. Here, what will be replaced by it doesn't matter. For example, what if you do not help me? After converting, the sentence will be, it doesn't matter if you do not help me. Now you are clear about the cases. Based on the 2 steps rule and different cases, I am giving you an exercise. You need to convert below interrogative sentences to assertive sentences. The sentences are, were we sent into the world to make money? What if we happen to be late? Why waste time in reading trash? Please message me the answers in the comment section. I am eagerly waiting for your reply. That's all in this video. Let's quickly revise what we learned in this video. Firstly, we understood the 2-step formula to convert an interrogative sentence to assertive sentence. The steps are: step number 1, move the helping verb to the second position in the sentence. And step number 2, if the sentence is affirmative or positive, then convert it into negative, and if it is negative, then convert it into positive. Then we looked into different cases. Case 1, sentences where ever is used, ever will be converted to never and any will be converted to no. Case 2, sentences where the structure is who plus don't, doesn't, didn't, it get converted to everybody, everyone, all. Case 3, sentences where the structure is who plus positive sentence, it get converted no one or nobody. Case 4, sentences where the structure is why plus verb, it get converted to it is foolish to plus verb. Case 5, sentences where the sentence start with what if, here what get converted to it doesn't matter. Finally, I give you an exercise. Please message me the answers in the comment. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or suggestions related to the lesson, please write in the comment section. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Do share the video so others can learn, and please subscribe to the channel and also press the bell icon to get regular updates about the course. We will meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye.